think the dollar is actually
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Continue. Continue. Hello. Hello. Hello, Jeremy. Can you hear me?
appreciate. So it's a way of
Uh-huh.
actually betting against inflation somewhere here in Nigeria.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's
Yeah.
the first. I will ask several questions about what kind of problem do you have in this space, and then we'll show you our products. And I would like to get your feedback. Can it be interesting personally for you, or your maybe friend? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, the first I would like to ask, can you say please, how do you try to protect your naira from inflation? What did you do for that?
I buy the dollar. I buy the dollar. I buy the dollar like I buy USDT.
Ah, USDT. Yeah, have
USDT
you
through
invested in
Binance.
USDT? Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Yeah,
through Binance. Yeah.
yeah. As well, I would like to ask about P2P procedures because I know that you use for buying USDT P2P as well as withdrawal USDT to Naira. And what about
Yeah.
this procedure? Is it complex for you? Is it stressful because you need to find seller to send him money and to wait some time when this person will send you USDT? Yeah, is it stressful for you? Is it a complex process for you? What do you think?
Yeah. Actually, as for me, like for me, I sometimes actually do the business of buying and selling the USDT per se. So Binance has actually, because there's quite a lot of scammers here, more like a lot of way people get scammed in buying and selling these USDT products. But I think Binance has helped in the security of protecting scammers in such a way that the
Mm-hmm.
P2P is quite more easier with Binance, where Binance has to hold the coin and you make the payment, you come back, you make confirmation, and Binance releases it. At some point, it was kind of complicated, which even I got scammed once through Binance, but I think the person's account was blocked. So I think Binance has actually tried to mitigate that fraudulent act. So Binance is quite good for now through the P2P. So mostly people use P2P, except maybe you are doing a physical transaction where you sit side by side with the person and you transfer, you get your money. But a lot of the P2P goes online, so you don't really have to see who you are buying from or who you are selling to. But the escrow means through which Binance stands, the middleman is quite very helpful. So it has really made the P2P much more easier, because here in Nigeria, crypto is not allowed. And once any crypto related terms in your transaction, your account get blocked. So
Mm-hmm.
it's quite not that stressful though. It's quite not stressful. As for me, it's quite not stressful. I just, if I want to buy, I go online, I buy, and most of the time they are readily available sellers, readily available buyers. So you really don't have to search too far to get buyers, except probably maybe if you are kind of trying to buy in a very large volume, and on the exchange you can see the maximum volume someone is willing to sell. So that's just it. That's it.
Yeah, let's imagine what would be change if Binance will offer you to buy a USDT direct using your debit card and as well as withdrawal your USDT direct on your card without P2P procedure. So what can be changed for you?
Yeah, that would be great, because I think if I could buy directly with my debit card, maybe my Mastercard, directly from the bank, that is I don't know, but it will be very helpful in such a way. Someone like me that does business, if I can buy directly from the bank and I can sell it directly from the bank,
Hello, Jeremy. Jeremy, you lost. You lose. I have lost
It will
you.
be quite
The,
low. Then I go back on and sell to first. There's no middleman. I just use my yeah, quite good. That would be nice. That was how it was before. Because I actually experienced it before the banks blocked it. My first crypto, I used my credit card to buy it without having to do any P2P or whatsoever. I just directly from my bank, input my card details, and boom, the money is there, the crypto is there, and then the banks came in and blocked everything, and we have to go on P2P.
okay,
So
good.
it will be good,
Okay, got
and
your
I'm sure
point.
a whole lot of people will have more trust that way.
Got Yeah, got your point. Can you say, please, what about the foreign buying? Do you buy any services abroad, like Netflix? Maybe do you buy any goods on Amazon? Do you buy something called this?
For me, not really, but I have a friend that buy, but mostly gift cards. It's gift cards the buy, but so but for me, I'm really not into it. But I'm trying to learn how to do it and see if I can buy and resell. Yeah. So, but for now, I really don't do that. What I do mostly, I just trade prop firms money, and I buy and sell cryptos, and that's all. So, but it's quite it's a business I'm trying to look into if I can, because the most important thing for business people like me is you try to get something cheaper and sell it at a profit. So anywhere I can get, quite good. There was a time I was trying to get because I think Moon, there is an app Moon. Moon, the exchange rate on Moon, despite their charges, is quite very okay. Yeah, but the Nigeria is not allowed. So then I was trying to buy USDT through Moon and resell here in Nigeria, but I think Nigeria was not allowed because they were using the official exchange rates then. So it's quite good if I can get a way of getting assets abroad and reselling here in Nigeria because everything is just all about the profit.
Okay, thank you. What about
Yeah.
remittance? What about remittance? Do you have needs to send money abroad? Have
Remittance. Not really, not really, not really. I've not really because I have just few family friends abroad, except they are trying to send to me, and most time they've used the bank to send because I think there are some banks here that also have branches in the UK, so they've actually used the banks. And as for remittance, I think there are quite some apps, some foreign companies here, like more like an app that actually does this cross-border payments and stuff. There are quite some of them, yeah. So it doesn't really, except I think I'm just hoping if I want to send money abroad, I just use my crypto and instead of using all this other kind of, if I can sell crypto to someone abroad, he exchanges there or he sends cryptos to me. It's more preferable, more faster, more convenient than having to do
mm-hmm.
all this other one.
Okay, okay, okay,
More
okay.
so now I use Deal. I use Deal, so I think Deal is quite okay to send money also. So I use Deal. So
Okay, okay, I got your point.
ah,
What about keeping
yeah.
your money? Where do you keep your stable coins? Do you keep on centralized or decentralized platform like Trust Wallet, Binance?
No, no,
Where do you?
no, no. I prefer keeping on a centralized wallet. I use Binance alone because I actually have Trust Wallet. I have MetaMask, but see, one problem I have with the decentralized wallet is when you're trying to pull out your money, the charges are just way too much. Especially you have to use through the Ethereum network, and the charges are just too much. So decentralized exchange is quite. I think I prefer it. I prefer it one way because the charges are quite less and it's easily tradable. But nonetheless, I still have my trust wallet. So if I intend to use the decentralized wallets, I still have it. But for now, I just use my centralized wallets. I use
Uh,
Binance.
do you use Binance for keeping your for holding your stable coins, or do you use Trust Wallet mostly? What platform do you
Yeah,
use for
I use
keeping
Binance.
Binance?
I
Okay,
use Binance. Yeah,
you
Binance.
don't worry about keeping your money on Binance, right?
Yeah, I'm actually not worried, but recently a whole lot has been going on in the crypto space, and everybody is actually getting worried of leaving their
Okay,
money so you don't get caught in the middle. So, but
okay,
for now, I think Binance is still of good standing, so no issues yet.
okay.
But should any issue, everybody pulls out.
How often do you make withdrawal your USDT to Naira? How many times in a month do you make withdrawals from your USDT from Binance to Naira? How often do you
It
make
depends.
it?
It depends. It depends on business. It depends on
Ev-
business. Sometimes a day you can make two, three. Sometimes in a month you can make up to 10, more than 10. Depends on business. You buy and sell. The P2P stuff. You buy, you
do
sell.
you
You
use
buy, you sell. But
do you use cryptocurrency remittance for your business purpose?
huh?
Do you use cryptocurrency for your business purpose?
Just buying and selling, not outside business, not for buying goods. Just tradable trading. Like someone needs the cryptocurrency, you sell to them. You need, you
Yeah,
buy
I
from
ask,
them. Just
are
like
you?
that.
Yeah, I ask, are you entrepreneur, right? And do you do business?
Yeah, I do business. I do business
Uh,
and I also work. But
uh-huh.
I'm
I do.
more often gearing towards doing business because sometimes business doesn't go well, so you just have to work for a while, then go back into business. I was into the business, stuff's happen. You need steady income in such a way to pay bills, then you venture back in again. But the idea is always business is better. So the business mindset is always there. So I still do business. I still do business.
Yes, and I ask about
Uh,
how cryptocurrency helps your business to work. What kind of problem cryptocurrency helps to solve for your business?
um, Actually, I don't use um cryptocurrency as a payment method, but fluctuation in exchange rates actually affects the cryptocurrency. You may buy dollar and you hold it, and the exchange rate fluctuates, the value reduces, and you try to sell it back, you sell it lesser than the amount you buy it. So most times you don't want to hold the cryptocurrency for too long, especially when, like, now that we are in a bear market, you just buy, you convert it to your naira as fast as you can, you sell, stuff like that. So you don't want to hold the cryptocurrency for too long for now, because the value just keeps decreasing. So yeah, very careful about that.
You mentioned that
Yeah.
you mentioned that you make about 3 times procedures of withdrawing your USDT to Naira. What purpose? Why do you need to withdraw 3 times per month your USDT to Naira? Why do you
Yeah,
need to do that?
more than 3 times, more than 3 times per month. And why I have to do that is, um I buy and sell. And like I said, if I see a low price cryptocurrency, I buy it, I keep it. Then when I see someone who is willing to buy at a higher price than I bought, I sell it, hold my cash. Then I look for where to buy at another cheaper rate. I buy it, I keep it. Look for someone to buy it at an higher price, I sell it. So just like that. But if I don't get buyer, I hold it. I hold it. For now, I'm not really holding for the long term, like holding cryptocurrency for the long term. The value is not, I don't think it's the right time to actually buy cryptocurrency now, because the price is just going down. So, but very soon, I'm sure time to buy and hold is coming. It's not too fast. So that's just it.
Okay. Now I will send you a link. Can you open the link? It's our site.
What's the link?
Yeah, I sent link in Zoom. Can you open it?
Oh, okay. It's not virus. Okay.
Open.
Yeah, open.
Okay, let's say the first show you and explain about site and would like to get your feedback. Yeah, actually we are set up, as I mentioned before, which helps the people to protect their money from inflation. We have like a bank or maybe exchange platform where we can open account for you, where you can to keep your savings in USDT and spend in Naira using your debit card. For example, you can to you can to holding your USDT and debit cards so like Visa,
Link,
Mastercard.
no need for P2P. Mastercard, does it accept Mastercard?
Yes,
Well,
yes, of course, you can use Mastercard or Visa, which will be attached to your USDT, and you will be able to buy any services goods inside Nigeria using this card, and your USDT will be converted immediately in Naira at the time of purchase. You don't need go through P2P. Understand? You can
okay.
use your USDT immediately to buy any services and goods in Nigeria. Yeah, it's the first point. The second one, you can to buy. The second point, you can to buy your USDT directly using your debit Naira card without as well P2P procedures. Yeah, without complexity, stress, and as well, which what depends with P2P. As well, you can to send abroad USDT without any commissions and intermediaries, and the recipient can withdraw your USDT in local fiat currency. For example, you can to send in Ghana, you can to send in Kenya, and the recipient can withdraw in fiat currency on their local bank card. Understand concept here? Yeah, and as well, you can to travel using our debit card and to pay for any services, goods. For example, if you will go to the United States, United Kingdom, you can to use this debit card for buying any services and goods without any fee.
Yeah, wait. If I wait, if I register, I'll get your card, not my bank Mastercard. Can my bank Mastercard work with it?
Come again?
My bank Mastercard, can you work with it?
Yeah, yes. We can to.
Or it has to be your card.
Yeah, we can to accept your Mastercard. You can to use your Mastercard for buying USDT directly. As well, we will.
So now, if I buy directly from CoinRoot,
yes,
I get the USDT directly on my CoinRoot wallet, and if I sell, I get my money directly into my bank account, my Nigerian local bank account.
Okay, let's explain you. We will open your account where you can buy directly USDT after using your local bank card with Naira. After that, after you will keep USDT, you can transfer it on Binance, for example, Trust Wallet, and etc. Or you can you can keep your USDT on our account, and we will give you a debit card which will be attached to this USDT, and you will able to buy some services goods in Nigeria, and at the time of purchasing, your USDT will be converted in Naira at the time of purchase. Yes.
How many store outlets accept this your card in Nigeria? How many store outlets actually accept it? Is it been accepted in Nigeria? If I want to use the card to buy something.
What do you mean? What do you mean? What's the price of card or what?
No. Like the card now. If I have USDT with your card.
Yes.
Now I want to. How many outlets in Nigeria actually accept your card for me to buy something from them? Like if I go into a store and I want to pay with this.
If you have already USDT, you can send your USDT from Binance to our account. No problem. And after that, we'll use your debit card, which our coin profile debit card for banking services. And your USDT will be transferred in Naira immediately. You can deposit using.
Okay, what's the charges? What are the charges? What are the charges?
1% only for deposit. Another procedures will be free, absolutely free. We will charge only 1% for deposit. For example, if you will send $100 on our account, we will charge only 1% from this amount.
1%.
Per percent, yes. Another procedures will be free.
Okay, in a month, let me say I want to make 10 transactions. Maybe my first deposit, you charge 1%. My second
Yes.
deposit free.
Your
And consequent
second,
deposit free.
yes, absolutely.
So just the first deposit alone, you charge 1%. After that, you don't charge anymore.
Yes, absolutely.
Then what if I want to withdraw? What is the charges if I want to withdraw my
No,
money?
without any fee. You will be
No
able to
fee.
withdraw no fee, of course. Only for deposition, 1% per percent.
Okay, is this a new company? Yeah, in
Yes,
Nigeria. Is it a new company in Nigeria?
yeah, we have just launched several months ago, and we are made a special offer for our first users. And you can to try out our services. You should only to go through KYC, to register on our site and go through KYC. It will take only 3 minutes. It's easy procedures. After that, you will be able to start using our services.
Okay, that's good. So how about like if I want to do business like more like, let me say, is there an affiliate kind of stuff? Like, so if I introduce people into this, I get a commission. Like, do you do affiliate?
Do we affiliate with whom?
No, not affiliate with whom. Like if I register people on CoinRule, do I get a commission if I introduce this? Like you introduced to me now. Now I want to introduce my friends so they can start using Coin Profile. Will I get a commission for bringing people for registering?
You mean if you will register your friends in our services, can we have any program?
Yeah, do I get commission for it?
At the moment, no, because we have a great product and we don't give any bonus for attracting users at the moment. But maybe we will launch it. But now we don't have it.
Okay.
Okay, Jeremy, are you ready to try out our services? Our
platform? I can drop my WhatsApp message or I'll chat you on LinkedIn. Let me go through the website.
Okay, I send you link as well. I will connect you on LinkedIn. As well,
I saw the link.
Connect you on LinkedIn. If you will have any questions, text me directly.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
Let me go through the website.
Yeah, thank you, guys.
Are you too?
Yeah, have a pleasant day. Bye.
Okay. Yeah, are you too? Yeah, thanks.
Thank you. Bye.